The police believe that a body found in a shallow grave in Green Island, Hanover, is that of a 72-year-old American citizen, Nancy Hardy, who was reported missing on November 24. In light of this latest incident, a call this evening for everyone to have the right to bear arms. TVJ's Kirk Wright explains.
Deep in the bushes in Green Island, Hanover, crime scene investigators sift through clues to identify a body buried in a shallow grave. Up to news time, the body was still on the scene, secured by members of the security forces. So far, though, the evidence gathered suggests that the body is that of 72-year-old American citizen Nancy Hardy. Persons reported seeing her car parked in the area on Sunday. The police are looking for a man they believe killed Miss Hardy, who is a regular visitor to Jamaica. Miss Hardy was reported missing on Saturday. It's also reported that bloodstains were found in her house. On Tuesday afternoon, investigators led the police to a shallow grave where the body was discovered. Ian Hales, the Member of Parliament, was on the scene, and he says with all the crime that's happening, lawmakers may now have to think about giving Jamaicans the right to bear arms.
It is my opinion that any legislation comes to Parliament, and I want to bring a resolution there also, that states that every Jamaican should have the right to bear arms. You can't be at your house and just have a machete lean up in the corner to defend yourself when someone is barging in or kicking down your door with a M16 or with a gun, and you have no opportunity in defend yourself. As I speak now, there are thousands of applications at FLA, and it's time for us to free up decent law-abiding citizens to get their right.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.